Hi Maya, welcome back to my channel Baby Rose की बारी अईगी सिगी Baby Rose की बारी से अई नाम पाना से हमने लग नहीं को कहीं ना तो Baby Rose की बारी है से वारी मक्ती ओइड्रे अदुगु योगा की मरमदा अदुगु traveling की वारी खंगे योगा की मतांग दनी खंगे आई मैं यहाँ पे share तौजरके ngasi se ai se ai ngon na mayamna imanabi mayamna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛ ꯄꯥꯊꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯊꯒꯗꯒꯦꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯗꯣꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯖꯥꯏꯒꯤ 5 minutes ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 10 at least 30 minutes ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯖꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯈꯇꯪꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯛ ꯄꯥꯊꯕꯒꯤꯗ ꯈꯇꯪ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯛꯑꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯟꯆꯦꯁꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ number 1 exercise sina leg raises alternate leg raises ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯃ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ second exercise na double leg raises khong animakse thamitkadaba aduga third exercise for the entire body hachang loinamakki plank so sigi ahum exercise se jerke mayamda hawrase se ado exercise tawrkan manungdadi ai ising yamna thakte either we sip water or just make the mouth wet okay you know that ising yamna thagade khudi pukta cramp lakani ko aduna khwai aham exercise hawrasi yamna lai chumna hipani matungda khong se tingthokpirani samna aduga khong se akhoi khongdon maton se si se flex haiba amga point haiba amga lei ko stage da akhoi tawdoi se flex tawbasida akhoi si khong maton se katang flex tawba lei smaina adu natte flex haragadi sigi akhoi gi ngasai gi sigi khuning se loinamak makha ta na inthagadaba ko hawrasi kuchna simai thamani stomach tight contract khwang se smaina inkhat pa yade khwang se pura makharom da namthagadaba first exercise sor hon gat pamatamda khong thangalani thadarani khong thangalani mu thadarani 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 atopa side mo darsi oiron side ta 1 2 khong se chatting na legada 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 very good alternate leg raises single leg raises lawyer is alternate amuk tawsiba sor honba kaw yade sor se normally inhale exhale inhale tawo matamda sor se pukam thokadaba adu exhale tawo matamda sor pukse sichangada let's start come on 5 6 7 1 2 very good hujik tara sugre hujik akhoi mathangda tawdoisna double leg raises haragadi khong loinamak so kung I'm hawala ka may explain to okay. Imagine balloon habdi apni ball kam matamda ball sina ball kam matamda apni ball sin shit changa gadi ball se chau thori ko aduga nungsit se hek thado ki matamda ball se shrink tore ko shrink tore padi ball se chale adumaina akoi ki pukshi su chap mane shor hon ba matamda pukshi kang thok ani aduga shor hondo ko matamda na pukse sichando. So first inhale stomach out, exhale stomach in. Adumayam puksida kano paraga feel to biyo kogi right kogi yet ki kuchina koido thamaga ogi kuchina thapaga thamga aduga shor se honjan ba matamda kang thok pirani aduga shor hondo pa matamda pukse sichalani. Inhaling, exhaling. Mayam ay katomino. Shor se honjalo pukang thoro. Back leg dekho just abdominal muscle. Aduga exhale, shor sichalani. Sumaina akoigi double leg raises tawo matamda chap manana sigi shor hondo honjinje tawina siko ado tara kitang tawrse basic. Come on, let's get started. Leg raises tawrse khwang se swaina arch to baya de khwang se pura flat oina makhada nam thagadabo ko aduga khud se straight swaina kon basu ya de straight oina akoigi underneath the thigh da thamgada. The flexor feet. Let's get started. 10 counts. 1, 2, inhaling up 3, exhale down, inhaling up 4, exhale down, inhaling up 5, exhale down, inhaling up 6, exhale down, inhaling up 7, exhale down, inhaling up 8, exhale down, inhaling up 9, exhale down, inhaling up 10, exhale down. Very good. Although, sige puksida mo yung pressure low ka tabo pa. Like you really need to keep your core tight and strong. Let's do one more round. Come on. Ready? And let's start. 1, drop. 2, drop. 3, drop. 4, drop. 5, drop. 6, drop. 7, drop. 8, drop. 9, drop. 10, and drop. Relax. Relax taro. Savasana. Shor honjalo, shor hondo. Very good. Mayam na exercise makhan khangninga gasu ay comments adum haibiro o comments kano kay downing ba kay work downing ba any problem layers dum hango ay mayam da answer to khumjarake aduga ay video su sema ga thalajarake. Third exercise, last exercise, plank. Plank haibadi akoi isa pumna makse loina mag work tawdoni ko plank se. Plank to base akoi mayam na dum yam line na akoi khud se smaina haigat lagani khangde high plank low plank haibam ne ko khud se khoi smaina tawbani khang smaina tawbani adu smaina lay busu lay adu thum sigi bam se yum khataga lay busu lay adu totally no adu lay lali ko. Plank to matam na koi isa body se pura correct alignment ay yam alignment yam na alignment correction yam na tawi ay exercise to matam na. So alignment has to be correct. Plank, how to measure, how to come to the plank position. First up, arms to arm measure tawrani ko. Second up, hadarani arms to arm. mayamna check tawdoise ai mathada khatang chakhalakya ai khom khom roi ado si arms to arms thamani thadarani adui matungda mayamna check tawdoise atai kemda nate akoi sigi shoulder ga sigi elbow se si chak manana lehengadaba aduga foot ani smile hangorani you're going to interlock your fingers sigi interlock torani aduga akoi sigi shoulders ka elbows ka se chumna leire hai matamda khong ani se smile tingthokpiba 1 and 2 thum haigatpa yade normal smile chang amda leigadaba let's start sigi chumna leire ko plan so let's begin 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 tight 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 one more time 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 tapna kumkhar off and you're going to relax in child's pose. So that was plank. Okay, aina hojik mayam na sige exercise share tawire. Okay, exercise na have the leg raises, alternate leg raises, single leg raises, alternate leg raises, double leg raises and plank. It's a home exercise. I use the exercise that we am pamiko. Like home is where you have everything. Aduna akoi gym jatte yade haiba leite, gym tawde yade haiba leite. It's okay. Gym jatpa ngamdra su mayamna adum yum the exercise makhan tawba yai ko. Akoi kon pheng ba khangde, white pheng ba khangde adusu exercise makhan amani. But that's called karma yoga. Akoi yumda ima iben mayamna white taiba, chak thongba, adagi sumji sitpa mayamdasu hakchang sajen amani ko akoi maitai gidadi yam phai aina ubada kainoda mayam se yam active oi akoi gi nupi angang ima iben angang leiba makhai ko yumda tauri mayam do yam kanai adubu kai ko habita karma yoga. Life is yoga. I give motive today. Akoi gi puchi se yoga ni ko because consciously akoi mindful oina laiba adagi hujik ki wakhal na laiba nungaina hujik hingagadi hujik wakhal nungai ka mayam you can spread love, you can spread smile and you can spread happiness ado mayam Manipur da thoiba thong mayam do ai loina mag aware oise adubu yam nungai te akoina hujik all we can do is pray at the same time taking care of our health because health is wealth I do I believe those aduna mayam hakchang sajen ni to wale bigano to fight back more strongly adu mayam na subscribe to bio igi channel se like su to bio comment su to bio adu mayam na share su to bio mayam igi channel se inong na hobda ngai re adu mayam din shiba support bio thank you karamjari namaste